Inini nyaya yangu yakamira yakadai. My half sister mwana wamai vangu akandikumbira kuti ambouya kumba kuzotiona. She came, then I thought since tine company it was best kuti timu-employ since she was not doing anything, plus she has a kid, iye she's 21. So the problem now is pane day Ndakabata phone yake. I saw that she was flirting with my husband, sending him pics otovaudza kuti make sure mukadzi wenyu won't find out, sending love emojis and telling him that she miss him. Habi achitoti I miss you too. Then I confronted her and she wasn't honest at first. Then later on she said your hubby akandinyenga. Then I told his sister ndobva ati ndisakuudzei. But the truth is I'm not dating your hubby. We are just talking, that's all. Ndakavagarisa pasi vese vari two. Hubby abva ati ina handina kumbonyenga your sister. She's lying. Maybe it's because I was just trying to make her to feel comfortable here and trying to treat her like my nini. Plus ndakambomutengera some stuff kufamasi kuti agadzire skin yake. But I told her not to tell you. Since she's your sister, it was just chiramu chete. He also said your sister wants to destroy our marriage. She's not happy with your life and she's jealous and stuff like that. I then called my mother to come kuti vatonge nyaya iyi. Vakuti hapana nyaya, chingoriwo chiramu chete sababa mukuru namai nini. Usadzinge your sister, musiye ashande achengete mwana wake. Murume wako ndiye ane mhosva anoda kutsiurwa. Otherwise hapana nyaya. Plus your sister achiri mwana mudiki, haasati akunyatsofunga. Then the other thing that pained me so much is I'm not feeling well. I'm having some stomach problems. I asked my hubby for some money for treatment. Then he said haana. The following morning akaudza sister yangu to prepare. He was going to wait for her since she was not feeling well too. Then hubby took my sister to clinic. He paid for the treatment and the medication. What's your take in this night, guys?